Google My Business, now known as Google Business Profile. For you to set up your Google Business Profile, you will need a Google account. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step process on how to create Google accounts. If you already have Google accounts, you will find this video very refreshing because sometimes we create something and we don't really take notice of the steps. So you're going to watch the step by step of how to create it, and it will serve as a refresher for you. For some of you, you may be completely new to the online world and you realize that you need Google accounts to be able to do things, and you'll be able to set up your business Google business profile page to be able to do other stuff that you like doing with Google products. And you want to find out how to create your Google accounts. This video is going to help you step-by-step guide. So what you need to do to get started in creating your Google account is to copy this Google account address, into a browser and press search. So it's either you type it and make sure you type everything correctly, or you copy it and paste it in a browser. When you do that, it's going to take you to a page similar to what I'm going to show you next. Okay, it's going to bring you to a page similar to this. And if you already have Google account, what you simply need to do is to sign in. If you don't have Google account, what you need to do is click create account. When you click on create account, it gives you three options of the type of account you can have with Google. You could create accounts for personal use, you could create account for your child, you could create account to manage your business. Your guess is as good as mine. We are here to manage our business, and you're going to click on to manage my business. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to a page similar to this. And for the purpose of demonstration, I've created some details, which is not something I'm going to keep. It's just for demo purpose only, so that we could work together for a minute and create an account. Okay. So what you need to do, I'm sure you could remember your name and your surname and all that detail. Just type them in. And when you do that, sometime Google would generate some ideas on what the user's name should be, but if they don't, create your own, something you can remember and like as well. And you can put your password of what you want the password to be. We have two steps more and we'll be done. Okay, so you put that, and when you put that, all you need to do is click next. Make sure you save those details that you put in that page because you will need them in the future. Unfortunately, I don't have any fake phone number to give you. So if you need to use your phone number to verify your account. It's for security purpose, and Google wants to make sure that you're a real person. So what you need to do is to give them your phone number. You could use your personal phone number if you have comfortable with it, or use your business phone number. So they will send you a 6-digit verification code where you have to put it right here. So when you do that, you simply need to click next. So the next page you will see is the page that will allow you to give a bit more information, like how to recover your email if it's going missing, or you missed something and you want to the password or detail is no longer available to you'll be able to have a recovery email that is like a second email which you can use. It asks you something like age and gender and your date of birth and all that good stuff. So provide as much information you're happy with. The next page it will take you to is Google account term and condition, where it talks about how they use your data. All you need to do is read through it and click I agree. When you do that, your account will be created for you. So that is simple, short and sweet way of how you can create your Google accounts. I hope you find this video helpful.